In this video, we are going to talk about 5 quick wins to increase your YouTube engagement. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel, and ring the bell for our future updates. YouTube engagement is defined as when your audience responds to one of your YouTube videos by taking some action. These engagements can take on a variety of shapes and sizes. The most important engagement actions are things like sharing, commenting, subscribing/unsubscribing, and liking/disliking, among other things. According to the findings of the study, video constitutes 84% of all internet data consumption. Humans are emotional creatures, and as a result, they prefer to watch videos rather than still photographs. YouTube has permanently altered the way that videos are viewed on the internet. The videos you create serve as special bonds between you and your audience members. It assists you in developing a personal connection with your audience and leaving a lasting impression on their minds. Visual information is received by the brain in the form of 90% of all information. 80% of what the human brain sees, visual information, and only 20% of what the brain reads is absorbed by the human brain. Videos are extremely popular with search engines, with videos receiving more favorable treatment than any other content type. It makes no difference whether you want to create videos for your company or for YouTube. It is not that simple to create perfect, engaging videos that will appeal to your target audience's interests. When you use 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐸 to create videos, the process of creating videos can be simplified. Let's create videos that will have an impact on the viewers' minds, are memorable, and will remain in their minds for a long time. The following is a step-by-step guide to increasing your YouTube engagements. Number 5. Communicate with your audience. There are numerous ways in which you can communicate with your audience. You can treat your online engagement in the same way that you would treat a conversation in person. Through your videos, you should portray yourself as one of their best friends, a guide, and a mentor. You have nothing to be ashamed of if you ask for shares, comments, and likes from your audience. It communicates to your audience that their input is valued and that you are always willing to engage in dialogue with them. Make certain that you respond to their comment as well as your own. Other social media platforms, such as Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn, can be used to communicate with your target audience. Examples include: Number 4. Simple and beautiful thumbnails can increase your engagement by 154%. BuzzFeed uses enticing headlines to target its audience and increase the click-through rates on its articles as a result of the audience's natural curiosity. YouTube, on the other hand, is a search engine in and of itself, as well as having some aspects of social networking. When a user searches for queries through the search bar, the following results are returned. Visual thumbnails take up a significant amount of space in search engine results pages. Because our eyes are naturally drawn to pictures, you will most likely fail to attract more clicks to your excellent videos if you use the same old thumbnails that everyone else uses. According to the YouTube Creator Academy, the following is an interesting fact: a custom thumbnail is used by 90% of the best performing video productions on YouTube, according to the company. When you upload your video clips to YouTube, you will be given the option to upload a custom thumbnail that will float around with your video as it plays. Here are some characteristics of thumbnails that will compel you to click on them as part of your video marketing campaign. 1. The thumbnails for each video are distinct from one another. Furthermore, they establish user expectations for what they will receive when they click on the video. Add your logo or some custom explainer video text to your image to make it stand out from the competition and compel your target audience to click. 2. Lastly, high resolution, 1280x720 pixels, images and text that is readable on all screen sizes should be used. You must provide a fantastic user experience to your viewers, regardless of the device on which they are viewing your video production. When editing your image, consider zooming in and out to ensure that it is compatible with all devices. 3. Keep in mind that you must also create a compelling title in order to capture the attention of your target audience. Experiment with combining them to create a more cohesive and compelling story. This will also help to generate interest when you share your findings on social media websites. Number 3. Add annotations to drive desirable actions from the user. If you've been doing video marketing for a while, you'll know that all types of marketers must be direct in their communications. Do you want the user to become a subscriber to your YouTube page? Make it clear by stating it explicitly. Do you want him to enjoy your video? Then remind him that he needs to do so. It is possible that you will simply receive more views on your videos without seeing any profitable customer action, and that your YouTube engagement will increase as a result of not being upfront in your communication. Using annotations on your YouTube videos is a great way to increase your subscriber base while also increasing YouTube engagement. They are small boxes that appear during a video and prompt the viewer to take action on the information presented. When Brandine uploads YouTube videos, he includes annotation links at the end of each video to speak directly to his target audience. Number 2. Keep your videos short for happier viewers and higher user retention. The amount of time spent watching a video is a significant ranking factor for videos. Although the percentage of your video watched is more important than the total number of minutes, it is obviously beneficial to improve your overall score by increasing the percentage of your video watched. It's becoming increasingly difficult to keep people's attention for long periods of time on your videos, especially in this day and age of diminishing attention spans. A website is visited for an average of 20 seconds by a user. As a result, it is critical to capture the attention of your viewers within the first 10 seconds, if not the first 5. Here are 3 suggestions for increasing your retention. 1. Remove the intro and outro sections from your video. Get straight to the point and inject some personality into your presentation to engage your audience. 2. Incorporate a compelling narrative into your content. In this section, I discuss some tried and true storytelling frameworks. Personal stories are shared by 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐞 in order to connect with his target audience. 3. The longer the duration of your video, the lower its retention rate will be. As a result, don't make your videos any longer than 3 minutes. However, if you have something important and valuable to say, you can make your educational videos longer in duration. After a significant initial drop-off, the vast majority of viewers who remain continue to watch until the end of the show. The widespread use of mobile devices for watching YouTube videos is another important consideration that you should keep in mind. Mobile viewers share videos across social networks in 92% of cases, and the average mobile session on the smaller screen lasts a whopping 40 minutes on average. It is critical that your videos are optimized for the smaller screen. Number 1. Basic marketing and SEO principles also apply to YouTube. The fundamental marketing principles apply across all platforms, regardless of the medium. Only the tactical approaches to putting them into action may differ. Here are 2 strategies that will assist you in obtaining a top-ranking position in the YouTube search results with your videos. 1. Constantly promote your videos. Although YouTube has a large audience, when you first start out, you won't have many subscribers watching your excellent videos. In order to increase your email marketing engagement metrics, you must get the ball rolling with your email subscribers as soon as possible. 2. The second step is keyword research and optimization, which can serve as a jumping-off point for your video marketing and content creation efforts. For determining search volume and competition, it is beneficial to enter keywords into the keyword planner. This will assist you in reaching out to more prospective customers. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel.